Hi friends! If you want to make some yummy treat for the holidays to serve to your friends and family, or like me, I'm giving to my clients as a gift, I have a perfect recipe for you. That's my peanut brittle in the microwave. You will need to have an glass cup like this, some butter, some Karo light corn syrup, some spraying butter, baking soda, and peanuts, raw peanuts, and of course a little bit of salt. First, add 2 cups of peanuts to the big measuring cup. Then 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Everything in that bowl. Then we're gonna put them in the microwave. And we're gonna start with 4 minutes. So just a few more seconds and we're gonna take it out. Use a spatula like this. And we're gonna give it a little quick stir. Then we're gonna put it back in there for 4 more minutes. Okay. Done. So now we add 1 teaspoon of butter to the cup and give it a stir. Then we're gonna pop back for 2 more minutes. Now it's done. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon. And we're gonna stir it up really well. Then we're gonna spread into this cookie sheet. So this is what it looks like after we pour it out from the cup to the spread, to the sheet that's already sprayed with butter or a pan. So just spread it out thinly. After I spread, it looks like that. You don't find this kind of recipe online because most of the recipe only use 1 cup of peanuts and I use 2, and I change a couple of ingredients in there. So this is truly yummy and lots of peanuts in there. You can't resist. So this is my finished product, and each and one of my clients will receive a bag of this as my appreciation for the holiday. Look at this yummy piece of peanut brittle. I'm gonna test it for you guys to see how nice and brittle and crunchy it is, okay? Did you hear that? So nice and crunchy, and is lots and lots of nuts. Oh my god. One more bite. This go perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Thank you friends for watching my video. Have a great day.